customer service so popular these days, Luminary Learning Company is proud to introduce to you our new Bad Customer Service Training Workshops. With Luminary Learning Company, you will learn how to successfully onboard your new employees by throwing them out onto the floor without any training at all.
So, what do I do?
With Luminary Learning Company's new training workshops, your team will learn advanced customer service skills and techniques on how not to smile when engaging with your customers.
Huh? Bathroom's that way.
You will learn how to expertly craft generic email apology templates with zero empathy. Dear ma'am, we apologize for the inconvenience. As per your receipt, we will not be refunding your money today. Bye! Perfect. Your team will be encouraged to do it the way they've always done it and expect the same results.
Who needs it?
Contact us today for your free 30-minute consultation to find out how we can guarantee that your sales will decline, your employees will leave, and your customers will never come back. Don't forget to be awesome for people. And happy April Fool's Day.